I'm Mother Goose. How are you, dear? I have so many wonderful stories to tell you. One of my favorites is about a distant cousin of mine. It's called The Ugly Duckling. Now, as I'm telling the story, you can follow along in the book. Whenever you hear me honk like this, that's the signal for you to turn the page. All right? Now turn to page 1. Did you turn to page 1, dear? Once upon a time, on a beautiful, warm summer morning, in a rushy thicket near a pond, a mother duck sat on her 6 eggs. Father duck waited anxiously nearby.
I'm going to be a father. I'm going to be a father.
For days the mother duck sat on her eggs, keeping them warm and toasty, until finally, one day, the eggs began to hatch. Russell! Oh, Russell! Oh, they're hatching! They're hatching! Oh, come quickly!
Coming, Martha.
The father and mother duck watched as the eggs broke open, one by one, and one by one the little ducks appeared. All but the last little one.
Hey, I wonder why the last egg won't hatch. Hello in there. Time to come out.
But no